Hi there, students. A cudgel, a noun, or a verb to cudgel. I guess you could even give somebody a cudgeling. A cudgel is a club. It's a great big thick piece of wood that you, with a handle, to hit somebody with. I'm sure you've all seen the Flintstones, and Fred and Barney go round with a great big cudgel. It's a cudgel. It's a great big thick stick. It's more than a stick, very thin. It's heavy and thick to hit people with. Yeah, and as a verb, to cudgel, to hit somebody with a cudgel, to hit them with a club. So they were. He cudgelled the lion that was attacking him and managed to save himself. Okay, so a cudgel, a great big club, a round-headed club used as a weapon. I guess a policeman's truncheon you could call a cudgel. Yeah, it's something that you can use a piece of wood that you use to hit people with. And then I guess a cudgel, anything that you could use as a threat to force your will upon other people, to make people to make people do what you want. And then we've got a couple of old-fashioned idioms. For example, to take up the cudgel for, or to take cudgels for, is to defend someone or to defend something. So everyone was being mean to my Tamil friend, and they were saying horrible things about him. So I took up the cudgel for him and protected him verbally. Greenpeace is taking up the cudgel, or has taken up the cudgels for our environment. So to defend something, to protect something, effectively, euphemistically, to use a cudgel to defend something with. There's another idiom as well, to cudgel your brain. It's a bit dated again, to think very hard about something, to try and remember something. So I was racking my brain, I was cudgeling my brain, trying to remember his name. I'm normally quite good at that, but I just couldn't do it. So a short, heavy club, yeah, something to hit someone with. To take up the cudgels, to join in a dispute, to defend someone else, to cudgel your brains, to think hard about something. Yeah, so a club, a shillelagh, so an Irish name, a cudgel, and then to cudgel, to hit. Yeah, he slept with a cudgel beside his bed after he'd been burgled. So a truncheon is like a cudgel. I always think a cudgel is a bit bigger than a truncheon. Yeah, he cudgelled the donkey because it had been misbehaving. Okay, so this cudgel, to take up cudgels on behalf of someone, to defend somebody. A cudgel, a short, thick piece of wood used as a weapon. The thieves lay in wait for travellers and then cudgelled them until they were unconscious. To bludgeon, to beat them up. Okay, so a cudgel, a great big thick stick. Yeah. I quite like this example. In the 18th century, when theatre-goers, people who used to go to the theatre, they'd go with whistles and rattles and sometimes wooden cudgels, I think probably to beat each other or to threaten the actors if it got boring. Okay, so a cudgel, a thick, short piece of wood used as a weapon, a baton, a bludgeon, a club. And that's the idea. Cudgel, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6, maybe 6.5, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. So it's on the formal side. And let's see, we've got Old English, cudgel, a cudgel, same word. Proto-Germanic, cudgels, an instrument, something with knobs on it. Proto-Germanic, cudgel, a swelling, something that's big. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To cudgel. To take up the cudgel for someone, to take up cudgels for someone, to cudgel your brain about something.